All right, good morning. What's the biz, y'all? What's the biz out here? For me, been pretty chill. It's just today's cloudy. There's chance of rain. I mean, it kind of sprinkled already. The thing about the rain, I mean, I don't mind driving in it. It's just a thing about the rain here in Southern California. It doesn't rain, it doesn't snow. All right? So when there's rain, even if it's sprinkling, whatever it is, people out here forget how to drive. I don't know what it is, why that is, but people over here in Southern California cannot drive. Traffic piles up, and like I said, like, we never get rain or we never get snow out here. If it rains, it's just mostly through these months of like December through probably March. That's it. So, you know, people don't know how to really handle the rain sometimes. They drive slower, people get into accidents more often. It's not a fun time. But today we're heading out to work again, obviously. I mean, that's the only thing that we got going on right now. So we're going to work. We're doing the same thing. We're back to our same old routine for Target and Costco. So I'm going to head out to the yard. It's a little chilly though. I mean, it's 55 degrees, but with it being a little bit rainy and cloudy, it does get a little chilly. But hey man, a little bit of cloudy skies and some rain don't hurt anybody, unless you don't know how to drive. Alright, bro chachos and bro chachas. So we're at the yard already. Obviously, we're hooked to the trailer. It's an empty. I'm just waiting on my dispatch so they can give me the green light that I can head out. I don't know how long that's gonna take. So we're just gonna wait here for a minute. It was kind of annoying getting here because of the rain, and there was just like the visibility was just horrible. It was kind of stressful just because, bro, there was like two semis that would switch a lane and then come back to a lane, and switch a lane and come back. Then that made me nervous because I'm like, bro, dude, like if they don't know what they're doing, they don't know what lane they want to be on. Like, what the heck is going on? Anything could happen at any moment. So that was one thing that was kind of like sketching me out a bit. But other than that, I mean, we got here, and it doesn't seem like it's raining on this area where I'm at. Maybe if I go up a little bit more north where we're supposed to go. We're going to San Bernardino to pick up a load. So I think over there it might be raining. Yo, what's good? We're here at the NRT in San Bernardino. We already swapped our trailers, dropped the empty, pick up the loaded. I'm heading out to the Target right now. It is starting to rain. Not heavy or anything, but pretty consistent. And it hasn't stopped. But so far, everything's so good. The only thing though, bro, so I'm dropping the trailer where the empty is supposed to go. And one of the yard guys, and it's always the same one. It's always the same yard guy. He don't want me parking it on this area. He don't want me parking on this area. He wants me to move it over here. Every time I come here, he's always freaking saying some shit. So right now, I had no idea that they only made a section for like intermodal containers the containers. And they have a section for dry vans, but they're all still mixed up. So I dropped my dry van where the containers are at. And he comes in and he's like whistling at me, and I'm like, what? And he's like, you can't drop it right there. And I was like, what do you mean? I was like, you don't want me to drop it here, you don't want me to drop it there, what do you want me to drop it? And he's like, well, you're supposed to drop it over here on this side where the dry vans are. I'm like, bro, no one told me anything. I don't work here. I don't know where to drop it. So I'm just dropping it where the empties go. No, well, they switched it around to make it easy for you guys. This and that, so you better move it. And I'm like, bro, like, every time I come here, it's an issue with this guy. But whatever. Brushed it off. I mean, it still bothered me a bit because I still have to see his mug-ass face. But it's like, bro. Alright, y'all. Finally back at the yard, at the terminal. Man, I'm sore. I did legs yesterday, but I kind of went a little crazy. It hurts to like even sit down or get off the truck or do anything. But anyways, we're back. We're done. We did that Costco job. I haven't had lunch all day. I just wanted to get this done as soon as I could. And we got done at 4:22. So I did not finish my work at 5 p.m. like I said I would. I finished before. So if you guys betted that I was gonna finish at 5 or later, you're wrong. We got here some ground beef and some white rice, just so I can have some food, because I feel like caca. I feel like doo-doo right now. And yeah, so I'm gonna start heading home soon. Thank you guys for watching the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe like always. And yeah, I don't know what else to say, but thank you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Hey.